Ki khubor ka Batesi TV ka umdi basnyam bak penjaslian. Rupa Premium Meghalaya.
Ke academic session meningkong jong ke Shillong Medical College nagbintau senam arajar pusan arajar pondrio kan Sdang katayo bakadu jong menai nailur arajar pusan hadim layo pedang ika Mynjur bagi thiyo jingbit nak National Medical Commission ya kini lepentip da menteri ketenat ke koi kakia ke sorkar jela ke Dr. Ampri Lingdo haka jing keren megilat patai kubor haka lai trik nailur arajar arpusan.
Today is a very joyful day for the Department of Health as well as the government of Meghalaya because we have received information in writing and we have received a copy of the letter of permission sanctioned and notified by the NMC listing the Shillong Medical College as one of the colleges that have been approved by the NMC for functioning from this year's session, which is 25-26. Intake capacity of students is 50. We are now prepared for the starting of this session. We are also pleased to inform the candidates who have a wish and are qualified to apply for these MBBS seats as per the sanction of the government of Meghalaya, alongside with the counselling for the Shillong Medical College. Total number of seats received for the Shillong Medical College stands at 50. However, we are also happy to inform you that Meghalaya continues to get its quota from the pool of government sanctions. 94 number of seats have been allotted to the state of Meghalaya into various institutions, inclusive of institutions like Negrams, like RIMS Infant. So, in total, our students today who have a wish to study and pursue a career in MBBS have a better option. And this is important, a big game changer for the state of Meghalaya. And yes, most importantly, our students now will be totally bounded to function within the state of Meghalaya, thereby automatically also attending to this acute shortage of doctors in our government facilities across the state. The medical college now is also poised to begin the specialization courses, which will be rolled out as and when the medical college progresses forward. So again, we will be lucky that our own doctors can avail a career progression while being in government services. Now, to clarify this confusion, the Shillong Medical College is a college which is referred to as a brownfield college, which means that we already have existing hospitals within a radius of 8 to 12 kilometers approximately. 8 to 12 kilometers approximately. And these two hospitals automatically become the teaching hospitals of this medical college, which means that there was no need for us to raise a hospital from the ground just for the running or the teaching of this medical college.
We have competition these days. So how do you ensure
What is competition?
Quality medical colleges. Students opt for quality medical colleges. So how do you ensure excellence here?
Now we've not even started the institute. It would be preemptive to believe that we will not have state-of-the-art teaching facilities. There is no doubt that it will take time for the Shillong Medical College to get the necessary grading in the All India pattern, but you cannot also presume that we will not be one of the best. We are starting, the journey is just starting now, and we are confident that we will be able to ensure quality, ensure excellence in our bid to teach. Second round of counseling is scheduled from the 26th of September this year. We finished round 1, which is a counseling conducted by the state for the PA Sangma International Medical College at USTM. Now we are actually embarking into the second cycle, and it is this cycle which is inclusive of all the medical seats that have been allotted by the government of India for the state of Meghalaya. So in total, we will start, we've already advertised. This advertisement for second round or second cycle of counseling is well ahead, and we are now at the stage of verification of documents of applicants. So classes, when is it? We have already said that we are scheduled to start by around September last week.